The small details such as matching the right lipstick shade to your outfit can either break or make your outfit appearance or outcome. Hello all to my revolutionary sisters out there, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stepping back, and I hope we're gonna have a good time on this video. On this today's topic, I want us to focus on how to perfectly choose the right lip color for your outfit. If you guys are like me, I've never really known which lipstick color to match with what outfit shade. So up until recently, I came across this confusion, and then I was like, you know what, I need to make my research, and maybe I could help one or two people out there who are also confused like me, or who didn't have enough information when it comes to pairing our outfit with our lip colors. So if you are interested on that, stay tuned for more. So my focus is gonna be more on different colors. So those different colors are mainly gonna be for our outfit, right? So my first point or color will be black. So we all love black. I think every woman should own black. Black is a versatile color, elegant, so and classy. A color that will never go out of style. A black is not only classy and elegant, but it is so easy to pair with different pieces, and also with different lipstick shade. So depending on your personal style or occasion in which you're gonna be attending, so this is how you can actually accentuate or beautify or rock your black outfit with a different shade. This is a type of lipstick shade that goes well with a black outfit. So a matte nude, a soft lip gloss, a pink, and a red lipstick go very well with a black outfit. Second color, it will be red. So a red outfit. So when I talk about outfit, I'm mainly focusing on the blouses, the t-shirt, and the shirt, or maybe some dress. I'm mainly focusing on the top part, not the bottom part, right? So a red outfit can feel like the most hardest color to match, especially with makeup. But mainly red goes beautifully so with a variety of lip shade. So this is how to actually rock your red outfit. If you are looking on keeping the attention onto your outfit, a brown and a nude lip color can greatly help in maintaining a more natural look. So if you keep your lips a more neutral and natural color, and then that on its own, it helps in maintaining the natural look when it comes to your outfit. I hope it makes sense. Color number 3, it will be a white outfit. So growing up, I used to be a very skeptical when it comes to wearing any white outfit or putting on anything which was white. In my mind, I used to think that maybe white is designated to specific people, like I'm not supposed to wear white, or white, it will easily get dirty on me. But little did I know that as I'm growing, I will fall in love with white. I love white. I love everything white. Okay, so in my opinion, I think a white color is beautiful, and it can make anyone to appear clean and polished. I don't know about you guys, but white. Now back to the topic. A white outfit can be actually give you that a little to more freedom to play with your makeup. If you are looking into creating that elegant look, you can go for a power red to draw more attention and also to appear more bold and artistic. Also a nude and a peach also create a more elegant look. And also lastly, for night time, you can opt for a dark red lip. look because it looks more beautiful on a white outfit. Our fourth color will be green. Green is eventually becoming a trendy color in this fashion street. A green color can be viewed as one of the pop out color. This is how to actually rock your or slay your green outfit with a matching lipstick shade. I will also recommend a soft or a warm red lipstick and also a nude lipstick shade. I think it complemented the color super very well. Number 5, it will be yellow. Yellow color is a bright color which is associated with happiness and vibrant. So if you are looking into wearing your bright yellow outfit, I suggest that you opt for brown or nude lipstick shade, as they have the potential to create a cohesive look without getting too bold. A color shade number 6, it will be blue, a blue outfit. So we all know that a blue and an orange are known to be complementary colors on the color wheel, so meaning that you get more complement. You can actually complement your orange lipstick with your blue outfit, so that create a stinkling, a gorgeous construct. So as a soft matte orange lipstick paired with a blue dress will make you look like a walking artistic masterpiece. Come on. Another option would be that if you do not want to wear your orange lipstick, you can consider pink, right? More like a coral, because most deep colors such as blue outfit look more beautiful with a soft baby pink or a peach lip. This creates a subtitle construct that can elegantly draw the attention. So depending on your personal style and your occasion, you can do whatever pleases your queen. These are only my opinions. Our seventh color, it will be pink. So pink, how do we actually pair or match our lipstick shade to our pink outfit? So I recommend that we keep our lips more on the pink or a nude shade color. The other way to actually achieve a more beautiful look is to actually match the pink on the same shade, or a lighter or a darker pink shade to the outfit. I also love the look of a transparent lip gloss. I think it gives that elegant, polished and clean look. So try to stay away from the red or colored lipsticks, because that could be so hard to match well with the pink outfit.
When you are struggling and you start thinking about giving up, I want you to remember the power of hope. The belief that something better is always possible if you're willing to work for it and fight for it. Our hope that if we work hard enough and believe in ourselves, then we can be whatever we dream, regardless of the limitations that others may place on us.
Thank you so much, ladies, for watching my video up until this point. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, and I hope that this video can be helpful to someone, or if maybe you feel that there was a certain point which was not mentioned, please feel free to write it on the comment box. Up until the next time, ladies, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.